The world has entered a new era, not a chapter, but a complete rewrite of human history, an era where robots don't just assist humans. They become part of the workforce, the economy, and even our daily homes. And leading this revolution is the most unexpected number in robotics, $20,000. Yes, a full humanoid robot. With arms, legs, hands, sensors, AI intelligence, and industrial capability for the price of a used Toyota Corolla. This is Tesla Optimus, and the $20,000 price tag is not a rumor. It's Elon Musk's master plan. To understand why Optimus must be cheap, we must first understand the global crisis forming in the background. The collapse of human labor. Birth rates are dropping. Populations are aging. Labor shortages are rising. And the cost of human labor continues to climb. Factories, farms, warehouses, hospitals, and even households are all experiencing the same reality. More work, fewer workers. This is the biggest economic vacuum of the 21st century, one that Optimus is designed to fill. Now the big question, why would Tesla sell a humanoid robot for just $20,000? The answer, Tesla is not a robotics company. Tesla is a manufacturing and AI at scale company. The same supply chain mastery that reduced the cost of electric vehicles. The same vertical integration that controls batteries, chips, and software. The same AI training engines used for autopilot will be used to mass produce millions of humanoid robots. In Tesla's world, high volume production slashes cost. And when you build a robot the same way you build a car, you unlock the impossible. Tesla's plan is simple. Build Optimus at massive scale. Use Tesla factories as the first customers. Drive production costs down. Sell millions of units to the open world. This is exactly how smartphones became cheap, how solar became cheap, and how EVs became mainstream. Tesla is applying the same formula to robotics. A humanoid robot at $20K is not a product. It is a new economic class. Today, a full-time human worker in the US costs around $45,000 to $70,000 per year, including benefits. An Optimus robot costing $20,000 with no sick days, no rest, and no retirement completely destroys that cost barrier. Factories will adopt it, warehouses will adopt it, restaurants, farms, labs, hospitals, and eventually, homes. Most robotics companies today build humanoids that cost between $150,000 and $800,000. So why would Tesla go all the way down to $20,000? Because Tesla is not selling a robot. Tesla is selling an ecosystem. Just like Apple sells hardware cheap because the real value is in the services, Tesla will sell Optimus cheap because the real value is in AI updates, app integrations, task marketplaces, subscription services, work automation, and personal assistance. Your future home will have a robot that cooks, a robot that lifts, a robot that cleans, a robot that can babysit, a robot that can work overnight, a robot that can learn new tasks at the speed of software updates. And all of that begins with one single economic breakthrough. A humanoid robot for $20,000. But there is a problem. A big one. Even with Tesla's unmatched scale, Elon Musk will not meet his proposed target of 5,000 Optimus units in 2025. And in part 2, we break down exactly why.